Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Again, I want to thank everyone out there for supporting the channel. If you guys do like the content, if you guys do like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you aren't a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. In response to a viewer on the channel, I want to talk about what happens to a company's stock price when there are earnings reported, when there are very good earnings reported. If a company beats on expected earnings per share, beats on revenue, is there always a guarantee that the company's price will end the day in the green? As an example here, I have NVIDIA, NVDA. NVIDIA had an earnings report today, and as you can see here, despite a very good earnings report, the company actually ended the day in the red here. You can see after hours trading trending down 2.91%, down $7.58, despite during active hours trading ending the day at an all-time high, ending the day 1.7% in the green. After a very good earnings report, the company actually started trending down in price. There was a sell-off despite a very strong earnings beat. Take a look at the statistics and earnings. You can see Q1 2018 earnings. The expected earnings per share was $1.45. The actual earnings per share was $2.05. So a 40% plus earnings beat. Revenue also rose quite dramatically. 1 year ago, revenue was $1.94 billion. This year, $3.21 billion. So a very good earnings beat, a very good revenue beat. But despite that, as again, you can see in this chart, the stock price trended down quite dramatically here. There was a very big sell-off despite a very good earnings report. So what happened? Well, really what happened is that investor expectations, really not the company's financial performance, was driving the share price here today. For the first time ever, NVIDIA revealed crypto sales. While they were very strong this quarter, they are expected to come back quite dramatically over the next few quarters. A decline in cryptocurrency sales. Cryptocurrency with GPUs is becoming less profitable. Because of that, a lot of investors lost confidence, feeling that the company will start missing on revenue, will start missing on expected earnings per share, and the company's stock price dropped as a result. So there's never a guarantee that if a company has a very good earnings report that the company's stock will end the day in the green. I know there was quite a few investors here, really what was driving the stock price up here, expecting a very good earnings report, which there was, expecting the price to jump up for a quick swing trade. But as you can see here, initially that happened, and then after the earnings report started revealing a little bit more about the company's health with regards to, again, the cryptocurrency sales, a lot of investors did not like that, and you can see here a very dramatic sell-off. There is never a guarantee that if a company has a very strong earnings report that a company's stock will end the day in the green. So it's very risky trading around earnings reports. But as I've said on many of my prior videos, risk equals reward. So if a company's stock would jump, it definitely would jump around an earnings report. But again, there is never a guarantee that if the company does well financially, that an investor's confidence will match that. It's really all about investor expectations. If investors feel like the company moving forward is not going to be strong, despite having very good revenue, the company's stock price can decrease. And today was a perfect example of that. NVDA dropping 2.91% after beating earnings and revenue quite dramatically. So just wanted to go ahead and do a quick video on this topic. There was an investor, a viewer on the channel wanting to know how to trade earnings reports, had jumped into a trade. I forget what stock was commented on. They basically jumped into a stock. The earnings were good for a company. It actually beat its earnings estimates, and despite that, the company ended the day in the red. So another example here, again, today with NVIDIA, a lot of investor expectations and things that are apart from the revenue, from the earnings per share, will really drive the stock's price. So hope that was informative. If you guys have any questions on this, please let me know in the comment thread down below. Although there is a possibility of an overreaction in the market, as we've seen with Ford, for example, over the past week, there was an announcement that one of its suppliers had a fire, was going to have some difficulty supplying components for its vehicles. And the price of Ford dropped quite dramatically for one day before driving up today. So this could be the same thing with NVIDIA here, but again, you can never predict the market. You have to essentially predict what investors' expectations will be. That's very, very difficult to predict. So I just want to do a quick video here. Again, let me know if you guys have any questions about this. Please leave any of those in the comment threads down below. If there's enough on any particular topic, I'll go ahead and do an updated video on those topics. So not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys have any great video ideas, any stocks that you're looking to trade, swing trading, dividend capture, long-term buy and hold stocks, please let me know in the comment threads down below. And always looking for new videos to do and new stocks to jump into. So please let me know in the comment threads down below. And again, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here, and we'll see you guys next time.